So starting off with the first gadget, this is a wireless AI car box by Carlizem, coming in at a price of close to 7,000 rupees. This gadget will solve most people's problem, because most of you ask me how to get YouTube in your car, how to get Netflix, Hotstar, Prime or even Google Play Store in your car. Well, here's the perfect solution. You need to go ahead and grab this Carlizem AI car box, just plug it in into the USB port of your car, and you have the power of Google Play Store right inside your car. You can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix, Hotstar, Prime, and basically install all the apps from the Google Play Store within your car system. That being said, if you're thinking it works only when the car is parked, no, it's not. It's gonna work irrespective of your car status, which means even the co-passengers in your car can watch some Netflix movies or even watch YouTube videos even when your car is on the go. That means even when you're driving, it's going to work flawlessly. Well, the links to purchase this wireless AI car box is given right down below in the description. You need to go ahead and grab it right now in this Prime Day sale. Moving on to the next gadget in this list, I'm talking about the Ceptics 200 watt power inverter. So this is a one-stop solution for all your power requirement needs within your car. This gadget can basically charge 6 different devices at the same time, and also on top of it, this gets 2 different AC outlets, which means even you can charge your laptop, you can use your printer, you can use your razor, basically anything that works with an AC outlet with a max power rating of 200 watts, you can use it within your car. Additionally, you also get 2 different USB-A ports and 2 different USB-C ports, all which support fast charging, and you can use all of them simultaneously. This converts the existing 12-volt socket of your car into a full-blown power inverter, and this gadget coming in at a price of close to 2,000 rupees only is simply one of the most value for money gadget you can buy for your car. And if you have a lot of people traveling in the car, multiple people, family, friends, and all of them require to charge their mobiles, their tablets, this gadget can do that for you. Go ahead and grab it right now. The purchase link is given right down below. Moving on to the next accessory, I'm talking about the Onelap Quickflate Plus, one of the best and most refined tire inflators that's present out there. I've recently tried and tested this out, and I even made a video on this. This is simply good. This gets a 7600 mAh battery inside, which means it can work in a wireless way, and it also gets a support for a 12-volt charging, which means it get a power cable in case the inbuilt battery doesn't have a charge. So it can work in a both wired and a wireless way. This gets a super large bright display with clear visuals, and also gets large buttons so they are easily accessible even at night. This also gets anti-vibration pads at the bottom, which work really well. The device doesn't move at all, and it also gets a super nice cooling mechanism with air vents on both the sides. So this is one total and one complete accessory if you ever have to face a breakdown in the middle of the road, if you have a tire puncture, if you need to have air inflated, if your air pressure is low, the Onelap Quickflate Plus is definitely going to save you and save your time. Moving on to the next gadget in this list, I'm talking about the Texum high pressure car washer. I've been personally using this in my car, or should I say to wash my car, from the past 6 months, and I'm totally impressed with this. It's coming in at a price of close to 5,000 rupees. This is one impressive gadget which gets nearly 10 plus accessories right inside the box. This gets a dual powered, or should I say dual inlet mechanism, which means you can connect it to your water tank, you can connect it to your water tap, and if you don't get anything, you can just connect it, or should I say the inlet pipe, you can just put it in a bucket of water and it's good to go. It gets a narrow opening and a wide opening simultaneously, which means easily controllable and adaptable nozzle, and you also can use this to clean your car, your bike, your indoors, your outdoors, your washroom, your walls. Basically, it's a super multi-purpose useful device with a super high pressure. Now, I know most of you are looking to wash your cars maybe every weekend, every Sunday, and you're looking for a good way to create some high pressure water. To do that, the Texum high pressure car washer is simply the perfect gadget and simply the perfect device for you if that's your particular requirement. Moving on to the next gadget in this list, well, you all know how difficult things are in the roads these days. You basically see hit and runs, you basically see road rage cases every single day, every single moment, one or the other way in the news. That's where a dash cam comes into the picture, and I'm going to recommend you a complete coverage dash cam. That's the Redtiger F17 Starvis 2 2026 edition. So this basically is a 3-channel setup giving you coverage from the front, back, and even the cabin of the car. Additionally, on top of it, this gets the upgraded Starvis 2 IMX 675 sensor for the front camera. giving you an upscaled 4K resolution from the front and a full HD from the rear and the cabin camera. So basically gives you near 360 coverage, comes from a super reliable brand backing of Redtiger, gets a Wi-Fi 5.8 GHz so that you can transfer videos in a super fast way. This also gets a 64 GB card included, which means you don't have to go out searching for a memory card right when you buy the dashcam. You can probably do that later. And once you buy and install this dashcam, you will have a total peace of mind knowing the fact that every movement of your car is being recorded whenever you drive, and even when parked. If you are purchased a hardware kit, this camera can continue to record even in parking monitoring. So this camera comes in at a price of about 16 to 17,000 rupees, but probably much lesser in this Prime Day sale. So go ahead and grab it right now. The purchase link is given right down below. Moving on to the next gadget in this list, I'm talking about the Jio CarSync. So this is a wired to wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay device, and for somebody who doesn't prefer to have YouTube or Netflix or Hotstar, who just wants to convert the existing wired Android Auto system into a wireless one and wants to do it in a budget, coming in close to the price of 2000 rupees, the Jio CarSync is just for that. This is a no-nonsense gadget, does what it tells, basically converts your wired system into a wireless one and gives you the power of wireless. No more hassles of having to have so many wires in the car. Connect your smartphone, your iPhone or your Android phone to your car system via this dongle and get wireless Android Auto or a wireless Apple CarPlay. It's basically as simple as that. Plug and play, retains your original car functioning, original car buttons, and you can just plug it in and forget about it for the rest of the journey. That being said, moving on to the next gadget in this list. Well, what if you give your car to your friend or your colleague who maybe is driving your car somewhere else and you probably don't know where it is, and you want to sit in your home or your office and you want to monitor the location of your car, who wants to see where the car is heading through a camera, and who also wants to talk to the person in the car all together at the same time. That's where the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live comes into the picture, coming in at a price of less than 10,000 rupees. I mean, probably comes at about 7 to 8,000 bucks only. This camera is your one-stop remote monitoring solution. This can give you live location, this can give you a live video view, this can give you a geofencing alert, this can even give you smart AI alerts about the various different conditions of your car. You also get all of these features for free for a whole 1 year subscription, which is basically given by free by Qubo, and after 1 year you can choose to purchase it. You also get a 1 TB SD card support, which means if you have inserted a memory card into the dash cam, the camera will continue to record the videos within the memory card and you can always access them later on. And not just that, this camera also shoots in a QHD resolution. Well, most cameras do come in at a full HD resolution within that price range. This bumps the resolution up a bit to give you a more clarity. For somebody who's looking to have a remote access to their car at a budget price, there is probably no other better option out there in the market other than the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live. Go ahead and grab it today. The purchase link is given right down below. I don't want to waste any more of your time by giving you a long list of accessories in this video, for which you'll have to probably sit and watch this entire video. I'll give you the full list of my favorite accessories, close to 40 to 50 different accessories. All the purchase links will be given in the description of this video, including the ones which I mentioned. So go ahead, just check down on the description, check out all the accessories, select the one which is your favorite and go ahead and grab it today in this Prime Day sale, because you're going to be getting some huge discounts. There won't be a better opportunity to grab some amazing car gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.